boys and girls, it's time for Saxon Phonics Lesson 123. All right, the first thing you need to do is study your spelling words, spelling list 24. You can practice with a study buddy, or you can practice using the link to Spelling City online. Just make sure you practice because your test is on Friday, so make sure you practice your words. Alright, so for this lesson, you have 3 papers. You have ABC order, that's where we're going to start, so put your name on that paper first. We have a review paper, and then we have a final stable syllable practice page for today. So put your name on your ABC order paper, lesson 123. Alright, while you're doing that, let's go over your standard. How do I use my phonics skills to become a better reader? We do that by knowing and applying our phonics and decoding skills. We are learning long and short vowel sounds in a one-syllable word. Learning our vowel digraphs. Learning to decode 2-syllable words and deciding if the vowel is long or short. Learning prefixes and suffixes. And learning to identify funny words or words with inconsistent spelling patterns. Alright, so let's look at your words. We are going to practice ABC order. You are going to use the same strategy that we've been using to alphabetize these words today. Let's read them first. Madly, quickly, yearly, badly, gladly, mostly, softly, crisply, safely, manly. Alright, it's your turn to practice. Pause the video, figure out which letters are your guide letters, and number these in the correct order for ABC order. Press play when you're ready to go over the answers. Alright, so let's go over the procedure for putting these words in ABC order. Now, the first thing I would do is underline the first letter to see if they all begin with a different first letter. So M, Q, Y, B, G, M. So I have 2 M's so far. S, C, another S, and a third M. So some of these begin with the same letter. I need to go to the second letter in the M's. So M, A in madly, M, O in mostly, M, A in manly. Right now, we have an O here, but madly and manly both have an A as the second letter. Can I stop? No, we have to go to the third letter. So N in manly, D in madly. Now can I stop? Yes. All right, now I have S and S here. So let's go to the second letter. O in softly, A in safely. All right, can I stop there? Yes, I can. All right, now I should be able to put these in ABC order. Now let's start looking at the guide letter, the first one. If we have more than one word with that same guide letter, we'll have to move over to the second or third. All right, so do I have a word that begins with an A? No. B? Yes. What is it? Badly. After B is C. Crisply. After C is D. Do we have a D word? No. E. No. F. No. G. Gladly. After G is H. No. I. No. J. No. K. No. L. No. M. Yes, we have 3 M words. All right, so let's go to the second letter. We have M-A, M-A, M-O. What comes first, A or O? A is the first letter in the alphabet. All right, so we have 2 A words, so we have to move over to the third letter. We have D and N. What comes first, D or N? The D. So madly is number 4. Manly is number 5. And mostly is number 6. Now after M is N. No. O. No. P. No. Q. Yes. Quickly. R. No. S. We have 2 S words. We have softly and safely. So O or A, which would come first? The A in safely, and then the O in softly. And then we have Y in yearly is last. So check your work. Madly should be 4. Quickly, 7. Yearly, 10. Badly, 1. Gladly, 3. Mostly, 6. Softly, 9. Crisply, 2. Safely, 8. Manly, 5. All right, we'll continue to work on ABC order. All right, you may turn your page over, put your name at the top. Let's go over your keyword pictures and then we'll do our review cards. Banana, schwa a, receipt, digraph E-I, E, veil, digraph E-I, A, cashew, digraph E-W, U, glue, digraph U-E, U, nutritious, final stable syllable T-I-O-U-S, shus, key, digraph E-Y, E, pie, digraph I-E, I, shield, digraph I-E, E, sponge, scribble O, sleigh, quadrigraph E-I-G-H, A, delicious, final stable syllable C-I-O-U-S, shus. All right, eyes up here. Get ready to name the letters. Digraph E-Y, digraph P-H, digraph E-A, Final stable syllable CIOUS. Digraph AU. Quadrigraph EIGH. Trigraph IGH. Digraph AI. Digraph EI. Final stable syllable TIOUS. Ghost letter digraph WR. Digraph IE. Ghost letter digraph GN. Combination WH. Trigraph DGE. Digraph EW. Combination QU. I consonant E. Diphthong and digraph OW. Combination AR. Vowel Y. Affix card. So far we've learned all suffixes. Suffixes are added at the end of a word to change its meaning. Suffix ly can describe how the action happens. I carefully placed the vase on the table. Carefully. Full of care. That's how I placed it. Suffix ed means it's already happened. I whispered to my mom. Whispered. Already happened. Suffix ing means it's happening now. I am singing a song. Suffix en means made of. If it is golden, it is made of gold. Suffix s, more than one. Crayons, more than one crayon. Suffix es can also mean more than one. The bushes are very big. Bushes, more than one bush. Sight word cards. Read these words the fast way. Every, thought, early, door, thought, through. By, should, certain, tough, strange, been, poor, danger, several, become, beautiful, country, stranger, change, America, together, island, something, laugh, shore, brought, rough, guess, busy, measure, earth, against, heard, enough, daughter, government, wood, mountain, come, tomorrow, what, your. All right, boys and girls, let's practice spelling some words this morning. Number 1, timer. Timer. I will set a timer while you're doing your work. Timer. Tell me the sounds you hear in timer. Get ready. T, I, timer. Vowel, consonant, vowel rule. Timer. Let's spell it. T-I-M-E-R, timer. Vowel, consonant, vowel. When we divide after the vowel, that vowel is long. It says its name. Timer. Number 2, saved. The police saved my puppy from being run over. Saved. Tell me the sounds you hear in saved. Get ready. S, A, V, D. Saved. Think about the word saved. You have a final V, and you're adding a suffix that has a vowel. Think about the dropping rule. Saved. Let's spell it. S-A-V-E-D. Guys, we have to drop that final E, because if not, we would have a long E sound there. Saved. It's the dropping rule. S-A-V-E-D. Dropping rule. Number 3. Carving. Carving. In the fall, we will be carving a pumpkin to make a jack-o'-lantern. Carving. Tell me the sounds you hear in carving. Get ready. K, R, V, ing. Carving. You have the final V sound. You're adding a vowel suffix, ing. Think about your dropping rule. Carving. All right, let's spell it. C-A-R-V-I-N-G. Boys and girls, we drop the E off of carve when we add I-N-G. It's the dropping rule. It's the same thing. You can't have two vowels together. It's going to make a long sound. Carving. All right, now let's practice spelling some of our funny words or sight words. We're going to get a new set of sight words tomorrow for Saxon Phonics. Let's practice some of these older ones. Number 4, often. I often think about you, boys and girls. Often. Spell it on number 4. All right, let's spell it. Often. O-F-T-E-N. Often. Often. Number 5. Beautiful. The princess wore a beautiful gown. Beautiful. Now let's spell beautiful. Big word. Beautiful. 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 Full of beauty. Number 6. Give. Give. I will give my mother something for Mother's Day. Give. All right, give. Give. What word? Yes, give. Give. Very good. All right, no sentence today. So once you have it, pencils are down, ears are listening, eyes are watching. Echo these words and listen to the sound in the final position. Adventure, sculpture, pasture. One more time. Adventure, sculpture, pasture. What sound do you hear in the final position? Yes, we hear chur. Let's look at these words and see what's making that sound. Adventure, sculpture, pasture. What's making the chur sound, guys? Yes, T-U-R-E. In each of those. Is there a root word left over if I cover those? Advent. Not a root word. Sculpt. Not a root word. Pass. That's not how you spell the word pass, so no, that's not a root word. What do you think the letters T-U-R-E are? They're final stable syllables. How do you code final stable syllables? With a bracket. So let's code these. Put a bracket around chur, T-U-R-E. And our accent is before the final stable syllable. Now we can code the rest of it. All right, in adventure, we have vowel, and in between we have two consonant. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Where do you divide? Between your two consonants. Vowel followed by a consonant is short. Vowel followed by a consonant is short. Add. Add. Then. Adventure. Adventure. Like, let's go on an adventure. Next word. C. It's not E-I or Y, so we know it's a K back. Vowel followed by consonant is short. Sk. Ulp. sculpture. Like the artist will make a sculpture out of clay. And then the last one, vowel followed by a consonant, is short. Ass, pasture, pasture. The cows live in the pasture. All right, let's look at your new cards for final stable syllable. T-U-R-E. When I say name the letters, you'll say final stable syllable T-U-R-E. What will you say? Final stable syllable T-U-R-E. All right, your keyword picture is a picture. Say picture. Picture. It has the chur sound in the final position. Right here we see someone taking a picture. All right, in mine I have a picture in a picture frame. All right, so my turn. Picture, final stable syllable T-U-R-E, chur. Say it with me. Picture, final stable syllable T-U-R-E, chur. Again, picture, final stable syllable T-U-R-E, chur. All right. Now, my turn. Echo me. Chur. Yes, chur. How do we spell this sound? Yes, you spell it T-U-R-E. Final stable syllable T-U-R-E. Number 7, write chur. Final stable syllable T-U-R-E on the line. That is your new spelling pattern. We're going to practice spelling some words that have the chur sound, like in final stable syllable T-U-R-E. Number 8, future. Future. What does the future hold for us? Future. Tell me the sounds you hear in future. Get ready. Future. Spell it on number 8. Future. F-U-T-U-R-E. Future. Open syllable. Leaves that long U sound. Future. Number 9. Spell mixture. Mixture. We made a mixture called oobleck. Mixture. Tell me the sounds you hear in mixture. Get ready. Mixture. Mixture. All right, let's spell it. M-I-X-T-U-R-E, mixture, mixture. Number 10, venture, venture. We are going to venture out and do something new this weekend. Venture.